Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey there, if you're wondering how you can run LLMs locally using Docker as I am doing right now, then let me show you. So recently Docker released a new thing which they are saying as Docker Model Runner. Basically this allows you to run LLMs locally using Docker. So if you're interested in the post or if you're interested in the documentation, I will put them in the video description. You also see the requirements for Windows, Mac and Linux, and if you want to know how this is working, then you can read the documentations. If you go to the site hub.docker.com/u/ai, you have these different models available, basically LLM models that you can run on Docker. Currently 18 are available here. However, if you see in the documentation, if you're using Docker CLI, you can also pull models from the Hugging Face as well, which is quite cool. So for this video, I am just going to run any model from the Docker Hub. So first of all, you need to know that which model you are going to run. In my case, I am just going to use this AI small m2 model. If you're going to open any model, it's going to tell you the content type, digest, its size and so on. And if you go down, it will show you its different variants according to the parameters, quantization and so on. So you can select any model and its specific variant from here, so you know you are pulling the correct model when running locally. After that, make sure you have Docker installed on your desktop, and if you already have Docker desktop installed, make sure to update it if update is available. In my case, my Docker desktop is updated to the latest version. Now in order to use LLM, first of all we are going to go to the top right and click on settings. From here you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on beta features. Here we are going to have an option enable Docker model runner. We're going to enable it and the port is 12434, so you can change it. If you want to use a default port, it is the one, so make sure you remember this port because we are going to use it later in our Python or Colab script. After that, click on apply. And if you scroll down, you have other options as well. If you want GPU backed inference, you can also enable this option. Now we're going to close it, and now on the left we're going to have this models section which is still in beta. If you click on it, you can see these different models which you want to use. So we can just click on the small m2, and again you're going to select that which model you want to pull from Docker. So for the sake of this video, I am just going to pull the latest one. If you want to pull the latest one, on the top you have this drop down. If you want to select any other model, you can select from here. In my case, I am just going to pull the latest one. So it will now basically pull or download the model to your local machine, and it will take some time depending on your internet speed and your model size. Once the model has been pulled, you can see it in the model section, and if you want to interact with it, you can click on the run button, and here you can simply ask questions to the LLM directly, which is running using Docker desktop. So you can see the response. Obviously it will depend on your machine specs and the model size. So this is the first way to use it. Now if you want to use it with your, let's say, application, let me show you with a sample Colab notebook as well. Here I have a sample code in which I am showing you how you can interact with the LLM that is running on Docker on the same machine. So first of all, you are going to import the request library. After that, you need to define the endpoint and name. So the URL in your case will be same, that is localhost, and here 12434 is the port number as I showed you in the Docker settings. If you don't know, you can just simply go to settings, beta features, and here you will see under Docker model runner your port. Again, in my case this is this one. Secondly, you need to know the model name. So in my case it is AI small m2. So whatever your model name is, you're going to write in the model name right here, because the model name and the port number is very important. After that, click on run. Then you're going to ask or enter your query, like I'm just asking the LLM how to make a pancake, and after that we're going to just simply call the LLM with this data and it will answer us. So you can see it is taking some time because again it depends on which LLM you have. Some LLMs do it quickly, some take time, and also it depends on your machine specs. So here we have the answer. So in this way you can run LLM locally and interact with it via your Python application. You can also do it via CLI using Docker model runner command as well. But yeah guys, this is it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and follow me. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe